Hi everyone, Chris Burrell from InspireUcoach, and this is another Motivational Monday. On this Monday, I want to talk about this idea of gardening. I am and my partner have decided that we this year will install a garden that we are prepping the ground for right now. And it really got me to thinking about life and the preparation we do each and every single day for tasks and goals that we have in our life. And, really, as you till the soil, as you lay out your plans for your garden, and as you start to plant the seeds, it really becomes symbolic of our lives that along the way we plant seeds that we nurture, whether it be related to goals in our professional life or perhaps things that we want to do in our personal lives. And over our life, we nurture those ideas and those goals and those dreams, adding water, adding sun each and every single day to those activities in hopes of one day reaching that ultimate goal. I think we can take a lot from nature and from this idea of gardening, that it's all about consistency. It's all about patience and allowing the process to work. That's a lot like life. Being consistent and allowing the process to work. Food for thought on this Monday. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll look forward to seeing you very soon on another Motivational Monday. Take care, gang.